Good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Seema Miss here today with the continuation of the present tense that we were doing. Now, children, we have present tense. I have explained to you all the forms of present tense. Now, present continuous tense is there, and then there is a present perfect tense. Now today we'll be doing how to make use of and recognize present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Now if you learn this well, if you can understand this well, you can speak English fluently. So you have to pay heed to the present tense, how it is spoken. Whichever tense it is, of course, all is required, but you to follow this present perfect tense as well as present perfect continuous tense, you should know how the words have to be used. It's very simple. You will have to use the auxiliaries has and have. It's a must. Has, have. HAS, has, and HAVE, have. Then you have to, the main verb, what is the verb you see? To that, when it is in perfect tense, you have to add in ed, and if it is present perfect continuous tense, you have to add in to the verb ing. It's very simple. If you use these words in this form, you can change it into present perfect tense or present continuous tense. Then, present perfect continuous tense or present perfect tense means it is something that started. Present perfect continuous tense I'm talking about. Talk about an action that started in the past. It started in the past and it is still continuing. It's started in the past, it's continuing, and at the time of speaking. Now when I'm speaking also, it is still continuing that work. Now I'll tell you one example. Anu has been reading this book since Monday. Now Anu is reading a book. She is reading it since Monday. That is, from Monday, last Monday onwards, she has started reading it. So there she started reading, last Monday. And today is Monday. She is still reading. She has not finished it. So she is still reading. But you can say that she is still reading. At this time, she is still reading. So from Monday, she started last Monday, and today, this Monday also, she is still reading the book. So such a sentence, like which is there started and still continuing to read, you can say present perfect continuous tense. And you see, has been, you have to use Anu. Anu has been, she was, has been reading. You have to use the word has been, and read is the verb, so you're adding ing. This book since Monday. I'll give you another example. We, I told you, when it is Anu, he, she, has, it will be. When you're talking about yourself, we, as I and all had told you, we have to use in the auxiliary has. We have learnt it all these years. Have been, actually, have been living. So we have been living in Guruvayur since I was born. I was living in Guruvayur since I was born. We have been born. So you all have been born. You all were born there. So from that time onwards, you all are living in Guruvayur. So we are taking from that time to bringing it to the perfect time, and still you all are staying there only. Staying in that same house. So we have been living in Guruvayur since I was born. So present perfect continuous tense. Did you get it? Present situation. Perfect. At this moment, they were staying there. Now also they are staying and they are continuing to stay. That is all. So ing should be used. Have been, has been. You know how to use it. So if you use these words, it becomes a continuous tense. Now I'll tell you about present perfect with examples of present perfect tense. So that is also well understood in the same manner. Now here we'll do the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Now what is present perfect tense, I tell you? To talk about an action that began in the past, same I told you before, what has begun in the past but has just been completed or perfected now. Present perfect tense means which began in the past and has completed now. It's not continuous. It is completed now. So you say it is a present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Which has started earlier. You were born. You started studying in KG class when you were small. And now you have completed your class 5th standard. Means you are in the 6th standard now. So you have not completed. You are continuing studying there. So it's a present perfect continuous tense. You're studying in the, but if you have completed something now you have completed, you started your project a few days before and you completed today. If you complete it today, you say it's a present perfect tense. Did you get it? You have put a stop to it today. At this moment, you started earlier and you put a stop to it. This is called a present perfect tense. So I told you, continuous means it is still doing. You are still going to do it. You are still staying there. You are still studying in Gokulam Public School. So when you started, from now also you are studying and you will be studying further. So that is present perfect continuous tense. When you are talking it now, when I am talking about those things now, I will say it in a present perfect continuous tense. Did you get it? So please make things clear. Now I tell you, Danya has completed her project. Has, H-A-S, has you will use. That is an auxiliary verb and you will put ed. That's completed ed. That means now you have completed. That is present perfect tense. Same way, I have been in Mumbai. It's a BCC. I have been in Mumbai. Have been also. That means you were there that time. I have visited that place. I have visited that place. I have visited Mumbai several times before. Now also I just visited and I came back. You can say like that. Anything what you have visited, you have to add ed to it, to the main word. Paid participle. Then Meena has bought a computer. Meena has bought a computer. That means she has bought a computer and now also she is having it. Jia has spoken to me. She has spoken to me. So it is also like that is there in my mind now. So presently I am what she has spoken to me that time also. These words are all present perfect tense that you use it in. So please practice all the exercises. I have given the answers. Please try to do it on your own first. We have, I have, they have, but she has, he has, Dhanya has, Devyani has, Tom has, Jack has, whatever you can. They all has. And I have, we have, they have is all have. So that's the auxiliary you have to remember, as well as the participle, finished, spoken, all these things you have to use it. So please get the sentence properly. Thank you.